Are you serious about getting into your dream college but have no idea where to start or when to do what? Then stop scrolling. This is the video you need to watch all the way through. I'm going to break down what matters most in your college application journey and how to avoid the biggest mistakes that could cost you an acceptance letter. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a tip that could change your future. And don't forget to click the link in the video description to grab your free college timeline and checklist. It is the exact guide I have used to help thousands of students just like you stay on track and get into top schools. Now listen up. Junior and senior year move fast. Colleges are looking at more than just your GPA. They want to know who you are, what you care about, and how you're preparing for life beyond high school. That means getting organized now. Make a list of the schools you are interested in and check their application deadlines. Start working on your personal statement. It is not just another essay, it is your one chance to speak directly to the admissions team and show them something real. Ask for letters of recommendation early, and make sure your resume is solid and shows leadership, passion, and initiative. Whether you play sports, lead clubs, volunteer, or work a job, colleges want to see that you're doing something with purpose. Here's the truth. Students who get into their top choice schools are not always the ones with the highest GPAs or test scores. They are the ones who plan ahead, stay focused, and tell their story in a way that stands out. And that is what I want for you. You have one shot at this, so make it count. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more insider tips, and click the link in the description to get your free timeline and checklist. You've got this. Let's go get that acceptance letter.